back to my channel. I hope you can hear me. I spent a lot of money trying to get everything together this time around. I'm not trying to lose followers. I'm not in any drama in the beauty community. I'm just trying to hang in there and do my thing. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. I'm a model, I'm an actress, I'm a motivational speaker, fashionista, mother, wife, and above all things, a pure makeup addict. That's why you're here. So the episode for today is Anastasia Beverly Hills Summer Collection 2019. They sent me a whole bunch of PR. Yes, they did. Let me show you. This beautiful golden box right here. Inside we had the fabulous, the shimmer body oil. There you go. Absolutely gorgeous and divine. Let me tell you about the body oil. It is $38. That's how much it retails for. It is vegan, it is cruelty free, and it has already launched in the UK as well as the US. I already have it all over my body. We're going to have a tutorial further down, and it is a talk through. Yes, guys, you're going to hear Adrian in the background. What can I tell you? It's my life. From there on in, she gave us 5 beautiful pigments, $22 each. And these are vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, also available on the website. You can put it on your body, you can put it on your lips, you can put it anywhere. It is a pigment. You can also mix them. Isn't that so much fun? And then, darlings, we have a mini matte lipstick set. 2 shimmers, 2 mattes. These retail for $21 each. They're also cruelty-free as well as vegan. And the entire collection, darlings, like I mentioned before, is already available online in the US as well as the UK. Can you hear Adrian? He's like, yes, yes, mom. So we are going to try everything on in this talk through. It's hot in London right now, so I'm perspiring and it feels so nice. And then we're going to go in to the makeup tutorial. After the makeup tutorial, I'm going to give you my conclusion on the collection. Stay with me, my darlings. So I'm going to use the NYX Bear With Me. This is a jelly primer. I am loving this. So I'm going to just wrap it in, and it feels wet. Yeah, okay. Juvia's Place. Yes, this is the foundation, and we are using Mali 130. So let me just put this on. Yep, a little bit here. I use 140 in the intro for their foundations, but I've gotten darker because I've been in the sun. I've been working out. I'm trying to lose this weight. The last bit of it. Alrighty, so we got that. And I'm going to use my Artiste Brush Oval 8, and we are going in with this puppy. I said it on IG, and I'm going to say it here. This is the best ever full coverage foundation I have ever tried. It's the best. So there we go. We're going to go in with the concealer number 8 for highlight. Don't we just love it? If you hear any noise in the background, that's my beautiful son. When I say my son, because I can't believe I'm a mother, that I have a child. All right, so the beautiful thing again about this foundation is that it just doesn't dry, you know, so you can take your time in blending. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. It's like milk. Okay, I'm gonna set that puppy. And then I'm going to use Estee Lauder, and this is Double Wear, and this is Rich Mahogany, and it is a pressed powder. There you go. All right, my love. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do my brows and I'll be right back just to save on time. And we're going to go in with the Riviera palette, yes. And we are going to go in with Palm. Everybody is actually in Cannes right now, yes. They're in Cannes. So yeah, I'm going to use this lovely chocolate brown right here just to deepen my socket, okay? Right there. And we're going to go right up too. So I'm going to go with the dark gold pigment. Take it right there. And you're just going to place it onto the eye. And just push it on the edge right there. Cocoon that beautiful pink all the way. There we go. And then you blend. You just blend it out. Because they said bridal, I'm just inspired with pinks and blues. Something new, something old, something borrowed, something blue. So we're going to blend this out. I'm going to wear my Bad Girl Bang mascara. I'm going to touch up a little bit right here. Voila. Yes. And then we are going to add lashes. Body lashes, Insta-ho. Inappropriate for any bride. Insta-ho it is. And I will be right back. Yeah. So there we got it, baby. See, a little bit of gold, a little bit of pink, a little bit of blue. Yes, darlings. So let us move on. Blusher, we're going with Becca. And this is called Lantana. It's a lovely orange, just warms up the skin. And I just love it for stuff like this. And I do like a C right there and on the other side. Spritz this. And we're going to go in with Gumdrop. Beautiful, one of the most beautiful colors ever. So I'm going to take it and just go over, just there. And just go, just rub it in. There we go. You can bring that in a little bit. Then they came out with the 4 beautiful bridal lip kits. So let's see which one that we're going to use. Let's play with all of them, yeah? I love this one. And then we're gonna put a little gold on top, yes? Okay, this does require a lip pencil. Then the Dewy Set by ANASTASIA. Beautiful. Now for the star of the show, darlings. We are going to go in with the glow. All right, guys, here we go. Hola, call the doctors. I've been cured. I'm finally glowing from the inside. And it tastes nice. So here you have, and then you just rub it all in. Yes. Yes. Do we love, darlings? Okay, let me start. I love the shimmer body oil. It's all about skin, it's all about glow right now because we're coming into summer, and this is so gorgeous on the skin. It smells like vanilla. It smells like vanilla. It smells like It smells sweet. Vanilla, I can't think of anything else, but it smells like vanilla. And I love the way that it glows. Yes, I tasted it. It still tastes. I am cured. I am cured. Call the doctor. I am cured. I'm finally glowing from within. It tastes like vanilla. It smells like vanilla. I absolutely adore this. This is a good one. Yes, it makes my skin look dewy and it's got a lot of glitter. So be very careful how you put it on and then you can just kind of like spread it out. So this for $38, why not? It does work. I love the 4 matte mini lipstick set and it was bridal inspired. And because they're minis, you can put them into your little bag. And I think it is so cute. I love the fact that it's white. I love the fact that it's inspired for brides. I got married in summer. To all of the fiancés out there that are getting married, congratulations. You should try this. Beautiful. If you have a darker complexion like myself, you're going to need a lip pencil. But does the final look fabulous? Yes, it does. The last but not the least was the pigments. The pigments are gorge. I think that they're fun because they're versatile and the prices are great. So I mean, you know, why not? So Ula, my love,
is it F.D.V approved?
it is absolutely F.D.V approved. It is absolutely F.D.V approved. My look was inspired by brides. I've been a bride like 3 times to the same man. So I did a something blue for you guys. I love pink because it's feminine. Usually you have those bridesmaid dresses are usually pink. So this was the look that I went with and it's just dewy and it's glowy from within and outside. I loved it. Well done, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Novina, thank you very much. You're such a thoughtful, lovely individual. Thank you for the PR kit. I absolutely love it. And ladies and gentlemen, I will see you soon. Mwah.